Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm doing something special. It is drawing Scorbunny from Pokemon. So without further ado, let's get on with the video. Now, for the start of Scorbunny, I'm going to be drawing the head. So I start out with sort of a lemon shape, and I am going to leave on the side of the lemon shape, I'm going to leave 2 spaces so that later on I can add the little tufts of fur on the side of Scorbunny's head. So I am drawing the shape, and I'm also leaving a hole at the bottom for the neck because that is Scorbunny's neck. And I'm doing Scorbunny throwing confetti, so we are going to be leaving that neck space. And then the tufts of fur are just these 2 triangles. One's bigger, one's smaller, and the bigger one goes on top of the little one. Now moving on to the ears, there's one big triangle curving up and back down, leaving a little space before it hits for a second triangle. And it is the same thing on the other side. Yeah, it's a sort of a flower petal shape. Yeah, and then there's the smaller little triangle coming off of the side, and it is about a finger's width of space in between the 2 ears, so that hopefully will help you. Oh, by the way, did you guys subscribe? Scorbunny really wants you to subscribe, so subscribe and maybe I'll ship you a Scorbunny to your house. That is not a guarantee. I repeat, that is not a guarantee. You will not get a Scorbunny. That is false product. So now I'm drawing 2 lines on the Scorbunny's ear close to the top, and then a small triangle inside the ear for the pink part. And I'm also going to draw the Band-Aid on Scorbunny's face. It's like, I guess it's a Band-Aid. I'm not really sure, but it's a curved rectangle, so I know that much for sure. And then there's a little nose underneath with a line going down that continues into a heart-shaped mouth with 1 tooth in the center. The tooth is the shape of a triangle. That's how I remember. It's like a rabbit's tooth. Like if you look at Bugs Bunny, that's the tooth. So moving on to the eyes, I'm drawing 2 ovals. These ovals are going next to the Band-Aid, leaving a tiny bit of room in between. And now I'm adding a little oval shape at the bottom of the eyeball for highlights, and another one on top that is a slightly bigger oval. And I'm repeating that on both sides so that it looks like Scorbunny is looking up at the sky to look at a sunrise or something, or the confetti. Sorry, I can't speak. That Scorbunny is going to be throwing later. But now I'm adding. Scorbunny has these little like red pocket things that are like kind of the shape of like beans cut in half. So I'm drawing those by the neck, and then I'm going to continue out from there, drawing 1 arm. So I'm reaching up with the arm and then pulling it down to the bottom of the page, and I'm repeating that on the other side and pulling it down to the page. I missed part of that line, so I'm going back over it. And yeah, that is the shape of Scorbunny. Now I'm going in with details. I think I add the paws in this part. Yeah, right there. There are 2 little lines pointing down that shape the paws and form those. I'm also going to be coloring this Scorbunny, so that's what I'm doing now. I'm coloring it in. This video is sped up, this portion of the video, because I know people probably don't want to watch me color a Scorbunny in for like the 10 minutes that it was. So I'm coloring in those little kidney beans on Scorbunny's neck. Those are red. The tips of the ears are red. The inside of the ears are pink. The Band-Aid is yellow, and the lines in the ears are yellow. So that is almost it, but you can't have a confetti scorbunny without purple confetti. So I'm also doing purple in the eyes, just for the details in the eyes. I did not want to fill them in with black because I feel like I don't know, that's what scorbunny always looks like, and this scorbunny is special. So this scorbunny deserves more. Now I'm signing it with everything C, and wait, everyone wait, where's the confetti? Nah, just joking, I would never miss a confetti. We are putting confetti over the scorbunny. They are squares and stars and circles, and they are going to be purple, but I'm just doing the outlines now. So I hope you guys add confetti to your scorbunny, and if you don't, it's okay. My heart is only a little bit broken. I'm just joking, it's a lot broken. But it's okay, to each their own. Some people just don't like confetti. But I am adding confetti and coloring in my confetti. I will be doing now. I sound like Yoda. But now I'm coloring in the confetti, as you can see. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. For more videos, like the video, and bye!